Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer contact from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply, at first open your contact apps, go back, select to long press on export, press on right mark, just select to mail option and enter the email from and to. Okay, press on send and open your Gmail. So look here, I'm get the message. Just tap on, then showing it to my all contact. Just press on import, select, press on import. Okay, go back. Now I'm checking. So look here, showing it to my all contact. Successfully transfer my all contact. So that's it.